Good morning. This is Lou Adzima. I'm out in the shop this morning and I want to show you my latest project. I created some drawers over here in this cabinet and I wanted to mount the handles on the drawer faces. And I saw online that one of the major manufacturers are making this drawer guide assembly to help you align where the handles are going to go. So I cut this on the laser, and if you're interested, I will post this on my website so that you can download the file. The file was created in Lightburn. Well, actually it was created in Adobe Illustrator and then transferred to Lightburn, and Lightburn cut the whole pattern out. So I'll show you how it works. So let's see how this thing works. The first thing you want to do is set how far down the face of the drawer that you want to position the holes. So you can use these guide marks to set this, or just measure from the back on how far you want the drawer handle to be. Lock this in, and then we take and measure from each end, find the center of the drawer face, put a mark on it, and I extended this around the face of it so that I could see when I put this on here where the center of the drawer is. Now the other thing is that once you've got that set up, you can put this block in position and lock it. Now the thing is set up, so no matter how many drawers you're going to do, they'll all be consistent. One other tip that I had was that if you're going to do a bunch of drawers, you don't want to make a mistake of putting the holes in the wrong place. You can just cover up what you're not going to use with some tape, and then you can use a pencil or an awl and mark the hole location. Once you've got that done, it's just a matter of taking and drilling your holes. And yes, I do want to put a backing block on the inside of this drawer. Still didn't get through. So there you go. That's the first one. there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel, ring my bell, and give me a thumbs up, please. And if you're interested, I will put the Lightburn drawing up on my website, and there'll be a link down below that you can download it and make your own drawer handle guide. Thanks for watching.